stuff.
Oh, and when did you guys get these ones?
I think in the last week.
Yeah, definitely last week.
Did someone bring them in?
Yep.
Pit bulls or cats.
Pit bulls, before they're even born, are registered dangerous dogs.
No way.
Yeah, if any of these wardens see you walking a pit bull, it's $500 without a muzzle.
Yeah,
Has to have
if
a
your pit bull,
full-blown
if you have a pit bull, people have made them fighting dogs. They're predetermined.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm doing story.
Yeah, they sell the speeds.
This is like we don't have enough energy for that.
Yeah, I feel like there should be more.